We're about to see some non-sexual penetration happening. Train POV into building. That's what we've been waiting for, guys. Where's it at? There it goes. Woo! There it goes. Right into the building. There it is, guys. World famous on TikTok since 2018. They engineered this train to go through here because, well, they got limited space, obviously, and they know how to do shit here in China. All right, I guess that's it. I guess that's it, man. We saw the train, went in the building. Time to figure this cigarilla and get the fuck out of here. Where am I going next? I don't know. All the way to China just to see this. What am I thinking?